guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Sarah, this is No BS Beauty. So today, I thought I'd review the Rejuran Turnover Active Cream, live from Korea. I actually picked it up when I was in South Korea. It had been on my list of things I wanted to try, and now I see there's a few websites that have it and sell the same formula in the US, so time to give it a review. So I'm really enjoying it. Okay, so they say about the product, a double revitalizing effect provides long-term nutrition and hydration of the skin, strengthens and improves its structure, helps protect the epidermis from external irritants. Curious if you guys want me to do a live stream anytime soon. I haven't done a live stream in a long time. It just occurred to me. Cameraman walked out of the stage to open a Diet Coke, which he always does, and that made me think of live streams, and I haven't done one for a while, and I have no idea why that made me think of a live stream. Somehow it comes back in my mind. It's like a trigger or something. Like when you hear a song and you instantly think of where you were the first time you heard it or something like that. Okay, so first criteria is packaging. We've got a plastic squeeze tube bottle, which is efficient, although it's getting a little empty. It's very skinny. It needs a repurchase, I think, perhaps. There's no denatured drying types of alcohol. It's also fragrance-free and has no noticeable scent. And the manufacturing location for this one is made in Korea. In terms of ease of use, so they say after cleansing and toning and serums, apply this to face and neck. Sorry, the tube is a little dirty. I'm very messy with my products, so. So there you go. So it's got a really nice creamy texture to it. A little bit of it goes a pretty long way. It has a nice finish. So really nice texture, really nice finish. It doesn't have a terribly shiny finish, but it is on the radiant side, I would say. So you can use this morning and or evening, no issues with it pilling or anything like that. I can use this just perfectly fine underneath sunscreen. And so very easy to use, very easy to fit into a routine. If you're using this with other stars of the show, like ascorbic acid or retinoids, I don't see any reason why you couldn't use PDRN with those products. I would let them soak in first and then you could apply this. But PDRN, I think, is going to be one of the big trends in 2026. PDRN, NAD is one of them, exosomes. I think those are going to be three definite ingredients we're going to see more of. And now every brand has their PDRN product now, especially K-beauty brands. And I've got some dupes and alternatives as well. So, let me talk about the beneficial ingredients in here. So we've got a Chlorella algae extract, which is a great emollient, and algae can be very good for skin protecting as well. We've got white rice extract, which is a great skin conditioning ingredient. We have an ingredient called Taurate extract, which is a great protecting ingredient. We've got Althea rose extract, which is a great skin conditioning and hydrating ingredient. There's cottonseed extract, which is a great emollient. We've got sweet almond extract, which is another great hydrating emollient ingredient and antioxidant. Then we've got several humectants in here. We've got sodium hyaluronate, then we've got fructose and trehalose and fructooligosaccharides, which are sugar-derived humectants. So they're great for skin, but if you use anything with a lot of humectants in it, sometimes, especially if you use it in your evening routine, you want to make sure to put a thicker cream over it if you have dry skin, just to help your skin stay hydrated. So typically I'll use this, and then I'll use the Cosrx snail cream over it to kind of seal everything in. And sometimes I'll use another cream over that even. I'm out of control of my evening routine, I will say. Then we've got panthenol, which is a great soothing ingredient. We've got adenosine, great for wound healing. Vitamin E, wonderful antioxidant. We've got urea, which is another great humectant ingredient and also helps slow transepidermal water loss in skin. We've got the serine, which is a great amino acid and skin identical ingredient. We've got salmon DNA, which is the PDRN. So nowadays you'll probably see a lot of products with PDRN. Claire's released one. Cosrx released their PDRN products. VT Cosmetics has theirs. Metapeel, all have their PDRN. So for ranking PDRNs, personally, I do put other derived PDRN above plant-derived PDRN. So that's just for what I noticed, is more beneficial, and overall, people have reviewed a lot of PDRN, and a lot of top 10 PDRN lists put this one at the top, probably because of the PDRN that they use. So salmon DNA, the DNA is processed into smaller fragments, which is PDRN. It's believed to help fibroblast production deep down in skin, collagen synthesis deep down in skin, and recovery. Although topical effects, you can also apparently have injectable PDRN, which I have not tried. I don't know if I want to try it, but people do it and say they have amazing results. But yeah, I'm going to do topical, especially when it comes from salmon. I'm good with topical, so. Okay, in terms of animal testing, Rejuran states they're cruelty-free, so there we go. In terms of performance, so this one's a really nice moisturizer. I like to layer it before the Cosrx snail cream. It does have a few ingredients that help filmiform over your skin to prevent transepidermal water loss, which is just water loss that happens over the daytime. So for what this product promises, it applies adequate level of moisture to dry skin to make moisturizing and glowing skin texture, and it results in ultra glowing skin full of nourishment. I would say it does most of that, I guess. Yeah, I mean, using it now for a month straight, I notice it. Before I was using it for a couple days, then I'd put it away and then I'd pull it back out. Now doing my review, I would say it does do all of that. And I would say it does plump skin up upon application. You can kind of see, this is my bad hand. I've got a good hand and a bad hand in terms of looking, you know, like everyone's got a good side and a bad side. My good side is my left side on my face. My bad side's the right one because I've got a scar on it. But my left hand is my bad hand. I think it's because I test so many products and I usually apply them to my right hand, but it does instantly plump up skin really nicely. So, workman's comp. It is my bad hand. Anyway, so many people state a lot of people have tried a lot of PDRN products, state that this is their favorite out of all of them, and it has generally very good reviews. I would say for acne-prone skin, there's one that's particularly comedogenic. So we've got cetearyl alcohol, dimethicone, vitamin E, and algin. And algin happens to be particularly comedogenic. So keep that in mind if you have acne-prone skin. Maybe just do a smaller area on your face to start out with and go from there and see how your skin handles it. So in terms of the prices, the full size, 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, and it retails for around $37. I have no idea, there's no other market like this where K-Beauty products prices on all these websites, Stylovana, Jolcy, Style Korean, Yes Style, where the prices vary from website from day to day. I've never seen any other market like that. I mean, like Drunk Elephant, I know that their Protini is going to be $72 today, unless they raise prices tomorrow. I've just never seen any other market like this. So it's around $37. When I bought it in Korea, I think I got it for like 20 bucks or even less. So yeah, but overall, 37 bucks for a decent moisturizer with some good ingredients, I think it's an okay price. It's right at that tipping point where it becomes too expensive, but I think with the type of PDRN they used, I think the price is okay. Last but not least is the It Factor, and it's quite a nice cream. I like the fact that it's pretty friendly for most skin types. Definitely would repurchase this and will repurchase this one again in the future. So for some dupes and alternatives for this one, we have the VT PDRN capsule cream, which I will review soon. I haven't written my review. I'm still almost done testing it. We've got the Metapeel Phytoexosome PDRN Shot Gel Cream, the Sunboon Editor Salmon PDR Ultra Moisturizing Barrier Cream, or some dupes and alternatives, but definitely, hands down, will repurchase this one again. Out of all the PDRN products, I would say this one is my favorite so far that I've tried. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I have this one a 10. I really enjoy it. So curious if you guys have tried it yet, or if you've tried anything else out with PDRN. What is it and what do you like about it? Leave a comment below. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more reviews tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.